Jim. Staring off at the TV.
I'm just having fun here. This is the way it is. This is normal. Oh, you ready? Okay, already.
We have no. I don't know what the heck's going on. Turn the camera.
I can read that. Okay, a Yahoo member. Okay, what are your interests, Mark?
I just Raspberry Pis and a couple Arduinos, and figured I'd stop in and see what you guys were into.
We have a mixed bag here. Leroy likes processors in general.
Oh, okay.
So any processor you would name, he's probably, and he does Unix type stuff too. So if you're a Unix fan, that would be in his area. I don't know. Ray just has fun. He's a ham too. These are hams.
I'm a ham.
Okay. I'm sorry to hear that. No. I'm an ex-ham.
Okay.
KD8BXP.
I'm KC8ONK.
KDA-LVG.
I do a lot of robotic kind of stuff. Play around with various.
Mm-hmm. Is anybody into like the CNC routers and
Yes.
that kind of thing? And
That would be Abe.
Ray.
Ray too.
Ray.
Okay.
Anybody got any 3D printers or?
I don't anymore. Yes, there's several people that aren't here that do.
Oh, okay.
Ray, who's
What,
not here
you
this
get rid of
week,
yours?
he'll probably be back next
I
week. Has a laser cutter business.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Yeah.
He packages and distributes laser cutters all over the U.S.
Is it this Rabbit lasers up in
that's
Milltown?
Yep, that's
Okay.
him.
That's him.
That's Ray, and he designs robots as well.
Okay.
So I have
Neat.
a couple of his different robots that he's designed.
He designed one and made some for the club. So
Okay.
everybody got a robot that wanted one initially.
Yeah.
So that was good. So he's high end. He's crazed. Are
Mhm.
you crazed?
I think so.
Okay.
Oh, there's a new midpoint in Trenton. Have you ever been there?
Not the new one, no.
Midpoint Library.
I was wondering if it was any good. Or just a hole in the wall.
I don't know.
I have one up at the old folks home near me.
Yeah,
It's a
Monroe.
Midpoint Library, yeah.
Monroe.
That's a house they bought.
Actually, it's pretty nice. Have you been in there?
No,
Yeah, it's small. It's probably twice the size of this room, but it's pretty nice.
Oh, you live in Pleasant Hill? Or-
yeah,
Oh,
Monroe. Pleasant Hill, no. I went to Monroe.
Well,
That's the name of the place, though, that's true. The name of,
I've been by it.
yeah, I live further down.
Or further on down?
I live about a half mile from there, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, a lot of good stuff up there. I do audiobooks. Doesn't matter where it is. It's a good meeting place. But from the library, they're all linked together.
Yeah.
If you do audiobooks, or you can do the electronic books too.
Mm-hmm.
Whenever you do, for free. Latest books.
Yeah. Have you guys meet? Do you guys meet in here about once a week or so? That's
Every
why
week.
you guys
Mhm.
gather.
Yeah, you get on the list, you'll be on the distribution list. Let me show you what you'll run into. Up there on the screen. You'll get the distribution of this meeting announcement. This is what's live every day as I update it.
Okay.
And then I clean it up and send it out as a meeting announcement. So once a week you'll get this mail message.
Okay.
This is a link to the members' projects. And what that is Leroy does a ton of projects. I've done a couple, Vicente, one of our new members, does a ton of projects.
Okay.
And they'll publish down to these folders.
Okay.
If you do a project, you push it in a folder. We also have GitHub, where they store the code. So if you like projects,
Yeah.
we have a few Raspberry Pi owners too in the group. We've got a couple, and he's got a couple of everything.
Yeah.
More of the stuff you never heard of, unless you're really weird.
Stuff you've never heard of unless you're really weird.
Yeah, yeah.
You see how you
really
are?
weird. That's really weird. That's extreme processor there. So what else we got? So everybody has a corner there. This is a folder. It's on the cloud. It's just Google Cloud. It's happens to be where owned by me. But if you want to have a folder and put it wherever you want to, that's fine. I'll just put a link to it and away you go. Participation notes, that's notes from basically previous distribution. Techno scraps is a bunch of junk that I put out there that nobody pays attention to anymore. The BD Rover was that's this guy right here. The BD Rover project was the original robot that Ray produced. He produced the kits, cut everything, distributed, everybody put them together. And we're promoting books over the internet, and I have some of my books, my favorite books down there that nobody ever pays attention to. So you get this once a week, and
We have a Google Plus community.
Okay.
Also stream to YouTube.
we need to figure out how to advertise that on the main page, a link to how to get there.
It should be there somewhere.
I'm gonna make sure it's there.
It used to be there. I don't know where it went.
It'd be on the other page. I'll go look at it through the other page. Was it the one that said what did it say?
I don't, G Plus community probably.
Okay, I don't remember seeing that, but I'll go find out. What we're about positive attitudes. We promote a positive sharing environment. We promote member success and growth. We're positive. All the comments should be positive. We do cut each other down occasionally. We try to minimize that. It's supposedly in good fun. So, but you may get reprimanded with a marshmallow.
Yeah.
Education, we enjoy. Education is one of my focuses. We're trying to put stuff out there for kids and whoever to build projects. And you'll see in my folders, I try to make it. Everything's there. Everything there you need to do is there, and in an organized fashion that a knucklehead could use it. Provide sharing opportunities for everyone. If you like to share stuff, we love you. Okay. Microprocessor technology, op-amp technology, basic electricity, electronics, share technical information, improve productivity and value of our technical resources. It's all volunteer. All participants volunteer their time selflessly. We're giving this up. We don't expect anything in return. When I talk about myself, typically, if I distribute information about myself, and I used to distribute more comments than I do recently, I'll refer to myself as Grand Poobah, because it's not promoting me. It's not to promote me. Although I'm a wonderful guy, don't get me wrong. The cost is free. We're not about self-promotion. We like to be humble. We're not distributors of information. Grand Poobah has exclusive. Oh, I'm a dictator. When you sign up for this, nobody will have access to it, and I won't give it out unless you give me permission. Sometimes I slip out, usually not. And I'm pretty Hitler-like in that endeavor. No, if somebody wants your name to consult with you, then they can ask you. But generally, I don't distribute your information. Okay, and that's it for that. So that's the big picture of what we do. and we meet once a week, and we try to have something going. Leroy does a lot of the stuff, a lot of the project for us. One of our club projects is a TCT, trash can transport, which is our objective is to build a device to carry the trash can to the street.
Okay.
And then
Because basically we're lazy.
Yeah.
well, it's mainly for senior citizens who
Did anything ever come of that
that's a big deal.
for anybody?
He's made big progress on it.
I mean, I've been working on it for a year and a half or so, and I've got the mechanism now, and I've got the steering done. The steering, what we've gone down to is the GPS wasn't accurate enough, although Vicente's got some ideas on that. And right now I'm looking at a compass guidance system, and I've developed a compass guidance system using our Bitty Rover robot. I can go up and down the driveway like 5 times and be within 6 inches of where I started. And that's without reset, going back and forth. That's 100 feet, 500 feet, and be within 6 inches of where I started. So what I would do is drive it out to the driveway and then stop it and then drive it back. And to begin with, it may just be a manual, make it go, and it goes to where it should go, and you may have to manually stop it. So first pass may be good. And right now I'm working on the drive mechanism. We've located a 43 amp drive, which we don't think would be more than a couple hundred milliseconds at 43 amps because the wires are burned off of it. But we got a drive off of a motor off of a zip scooter, Leroy zip scooter, and trying to use that as a mechanism, put a bicycle chain on it, and trying to get that going.
Mhm.
So not anything fast. Usually I don't do anything unless nobody's doing anything, and that's usually somebody's doing something all the time.
Yeah.
Vicente is a newer member, and he's very active at doing stuff. He's got projects. I don't know if you saw the train on the bridge. No, he did a train on the bridge. It was a HO scale train. I think it was HO.
HO.
And he would move the train to various positions on the bridge by using 2 weight scales.
And the Arduino.
And the Arduino. And he was very successful at that after it warmed up.
Yeah.
After it warmed up, it was exactly.
It was almost perfect after it warmed up.
Yeah. So, and he does a lot of stuff. He's done a scanner where he's using an optical sensor and he's scanning. He'll scan a device and build a picture from it.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And also did
He's
laser imaging.
He's just about the only person I've seen that get that $3 cheap camera to actually work.
Yeah. A Russian-made $3 cheap camera. Got it to work.
And looks like almost perfect.
Yeah.
Um,
And it's a unique individual because when you change you're changing the resolution and it changed how it mapped the screen. You'll have to meet Vicente. He is very prolific.
Mm-hmm.
He stays busy.
oh, look, more people.
Hi guys.
And
So let's see, the link to other stuff we've done. Let's see, let me go back. We have a Chromecast, which you connect to. You just connect to the router, and you connect. Anybody can take over the screen. When you're in here, if you're doing a demo or you want somebody to see something. I was showing some people that drove up to my house the other day, uninvited guest. This is him right here. Knuckleheads decided they were going to visit me, and they checked the side of the house to see if somebody was back there, and then they tried looking in my window, my bay window, to see if somebody was in there, And then he rang the doorbell. And then he decided to walk away. He looked around and looked up at one of my cameras. He'd already been past 3, okay? But the 4th one he saw, and then he decided it was time to get the hell out of there. And that's when I came to the door and greeted him and basically said, "What are you doing?" And he said he was looking for a home that they had foreclosed on. Yeah, okay. So he's fully documented. I warned my neighbors. I do a lot of video camera stuff. So it's one of my things. Meeting announcement. Okay, also at the bottom of the meeting announcements, if you want to see another thing you can see is, we got Leroy is normally filming the meetings. It's a casual filming, so we don't announce it on you probably saw us on Meetup.
Yeah.
We don't advertise from there. When you come in, you see what we are. You're not surprised when you see our meeting video. So there they are, the meeting announcements. It's showing up there. The club, and also link to the meeting video. And you can see all the meeting videos are up there, right, Leroy?
They're supposed to be.
Supposed to be. And one thing I wanted to mention is the electricity price options in your area. We do have that. Electric. And let's see. Stop it. Electricity provider, let's see what that is. Oh, you gotta do the map. Okay. Oh, that's just a map there. Anyhow, you go to this site, you can find what the competitive rates are. The current rate, comparative rate for Duke Energy is 6.12, and you can get it down to 5.5, at least a 10% savings with a 2-year contract. You can actually go a little bit lower, but it could be for a 2-month contract or 2-year contract with AEP currently. So it's all transparent. You just say, I want these guys, and you just start being billed at a different rate, saying you never know what's going on.